y'all doing? Just wanted to come on today and show you this little comfy I'm wearing. My daughter bought it for me for Christmas. It's so cute. You might need one. I haven't put my heat on since she bought me this. It is a giant, it's a one size fits all. Okay, first of all, it's smooth, plushy, microfibery velvet. The inside is faux lamb's wool, and it's got a pouch, and it says comfy, and it's got a hood, and look how wide it is. And a little logo, and you know what surprised me? These cuffs. Oh, makes it so comfortable. So the inside is all lined. Woo. Let's move the box over. And there we go. I go like this on the couch, and I can actually put my legs under it, and I'm in a little cocoon inside my bubble. It's really, really cute. She knew I would like it. I just don't suggest you doing any dishes with it or cooking with it, because you'll just get it all dirty. But for the couch, it's so perfect. And it's big enough for everybody. I love it. So while I got you here, I want to tell you something helpful. I have been taking this melatonin for about a few weeks now, and I tell you, I have not had a sleepless night since, and I am an insomniac. So let me tell you what this does here. This is a time-released melatonin. Triple action formula, relax, fall asleep, and stay asleep, 100% drug-free, 60 bi-layer tablets, and I'll show you what they look like. They have two different sides. They really work. It says melatonin by Natro, quick release 5-HTP to help calm a racing mind, quick release melatonin to fall asleep faster, controlled release melatonin to stay asleep, 100% drug-free and non-habit forming. Melatonin is a nighttime sleep aid for occasional sleeplessness. There's no milk, egg, fish, crustaceans, shellfish, tree, nuts, peanuts, soybeans, yeast, artificial colors, added sugar, or preservatives. It's got vitamin B6, 10 milligrams, 5-HTP, which is hydroxytryptophan from Graphonia simplifolia seed, 50 milligrams, and melatonin, 6 milligrams. Take one tablet 20 minutes before bedtime, because some of us just start asleep and then wake up in the middle of the night. Can't go back to sleep. Some of us can't sleep until 5 in the morning. That's me. But not since I've taken this, thank God. Because sometimes I get in bed and I'm just not tired at all. And I say, let me take this, and eventually I will fall asleep. So, love that. Also, if you have bought the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, which is fabulous. It really is a great waxy primer. You just have to be careful not to put too much on, because see the color? Now, I have the Yves Saint Laurent one. I believe this is like a dupe for the Yves Saint Laurent. Now this is like $9. This is like $40. So if you bought the e.l.f., you have a dupe, which is good. Now, all right, so this calms down. This is the e.l.f. It calms down. This has no color, so really this is better than the e.l.f. But if you can only afford the e.l.f. or you don't want to spend your money on this, the e.l.f. is really good. You just have to use it with a light hand. And this is the Touche Eclat Blur Perfector. And I have it in a bronze color too. This is a miraculous product. Also, another thing I want to show you. This is what I've been wearing. Originally, I found it on Scentbird, and I don't get any subscriptions anymore for those products. It influenced me to buy this by Moschino, Cheap and Chic by Moschino. It's called HIPPY FIZZ, and for the longest time I thought it was Happy Fizz, because it does make me happy. It's so cute. It's like little olive oil from Popeye. Isn't that adorable? There's a few different kinds. So I could just spray this all over. It makes me happy. And it's called a HIPPY FIZZ. And there is little Olive Oil's hairdo, and a little dress, and a little figure. Isn't that the cutest? I love this. I wanted to show you because it makes me happy. It might make you happy too. That's it for today's pop-in. And I will be doing a few more videos, maybe a week, just to give you something to watch. I know I'm searching and scrambling for content, so I appreciate it when people are posting, whether it's fun or makeup or anything. I am always searching and always watching. So have a great week, have a great day, stay safe, stay inside, wash your hands. And remember, you are not alone. We are here together. And I'm here for you. Mwah. Love you.